Hi everyone, it's a beautiful day. It's good to see you here today. So today I decided to make buttercream cookies for my kids, and also my son of 7 said, "Mommy, also try chocolate cookies. I've never tried chocolate cookies." So I decided to give it a try today. So keep watching. I'm going to be showing you how I made it too, and I'm going to be telling you our preference, okay? Thank you. Please stay by. So I have already added the icing sugar. It depends on how sweet you want yours to be. I used half cup of icing sugar. Some use 1 cup, but I feel 1 cup would be too sugary. And I love has the outcome at the end of the day. I've tried the 1 cup before and it was too sugary for the kids. So today I decided to use half cup and it was just perfect. So keep watching. Make sure you turn your butter until it's fluffy like this. And I added my flavor of choice. I used vanilla flavor, and I also added my corn flour, as you can see. So here I'm sifting my all-purpose flour. I used 3 cups and I'm done. You can see the consistency. So that's that. So you're going to get your tray and your parchment paper in your tray. Then you use your nozzle and you can scoop into the parchment paper. Keep watching. If you're just joining my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, support my channel. God bless you. To my returning subscribers, I'm forever grateful to you. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments and for your shares. Thank you so much. To my new subscribers, or to those that are just watching my channel for the first time, you can also check my channel. I also make beautiful hairstyles for kids, okay? So you can check that out as well. Thank you so much. I love you all. This my piping bag is so hard to use. This one actually came with my nozzle set. I prefer you get the soft piping bag. It will be easier for you to scoop out. So this is it. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. So for my chocolate one, I just added half cup of cocoa powder. And like I said, I'm just trying it for the first time, and this is the outcome of buttercream cookies, and here is the outcome of our chocolate cookies. Now our preference, we still prefer our buttercream cookies, as the chocolate cookies is not really giving like that. Maybe next time I'll try to melt some chocolate instead of using cocoa powder. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Do have a lovely day ahead.